Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Trading Secrets. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. For those of you who do not know, my name is Ali. I have over 20 years experience teaching accounting, economics, business and law. And through this channel, I'll be providing some stock analysis and a quick update on the $1 Million Challenge. So if anybody's not aware of this, this is a journey of an investment of $1,000 to a return of $1 million over a period of 3 years using a strategy called compound return investing. So the objective is to try to get 201 trades, each with an average return of 3.5%. It's not 201 consecutive trades, and we do take into account losses. For further details and information about how to join us in the challenge, details and information is available in the description below. In the previous video, we did an important breakdown of the earnings from Metamaterial, so please refer back to the previous video where we looked at the increase in revenue and also the increase in gross profit. And as well as that, we looked at a breakdown of the specific accounts from the balance sheet, assets and liabilities, and also looking at an outlook for the future. In today's video, we're going to be looking at what's happening in the market right now, as well as an update from a jobs point of view for Metamaterial. So let's first of all start by having a look at what's happening in the market. So on the screen here, you'll be able to see a headline from Bloomberg right now. What's happening is the market is still very jittery. So there's talk now of a recession. So stocks have been jolted by recession fears in the rush for haven. So what's happened is data is now suggesting that the Fed are looking at tightening monetary policy. So that what this particularly means is potentially another increase in interest rates may be coming. And the key fear going on in the markets is the fear of inflation. So the next thing I'd like to focus on is market crashes. So on the screen here, you'll be able to see the most recent market crashes going back from 2020 all the way to 1973. So 2020 is the most recent one that most people will have seen. That came initially after the COVID period, when the markets were down approximately 34%. And I think one of the biggest ones we've seen, certainly after the 1930s, is the 2008. And again, that was in response to the financial markets crash, where it was down in excess of 56%. And then we have 49% in the year 2000, 20% 1990. So it is a regular occurrence for the markets to crash. But one thing that I would like to point out is that in all occasions, what has happened almost every single time is the markets have come back, bounced and recovered to all-time highs. So in terms of what would be the best strategy going forward if you are trading on the stock market, so one of the things I do state that is obviously all decisions are personal decisions, but one of the things that I believe in is that you should look at your portfolio, have a look at the stocks you hold, all the stocks that you believe in, all the stocks that you have strong fundamental opinions with regard to future growth. These are the stocks you should hold, and it's also a good time to buy when there is fear in the market. That is the best time to buy. That is the time when you will get maximum return, maximum growth. So for example, we just saw Tesla dip below 700, so that is an outstanding opportunity to buy right now. If you could catch it below 700, we've seen Apple go down close to and below $150. So again, an opportunity to buy when it's a bull market, and Tesla is trading in excess of $1,200. That's when people feel more comfortable to buy, but right now is the best time to buy. It's also a good time to average down. However, with regard to stocks that you don't have confidence in, then certainly no problems in selling out these stocks. A lot of the penny stocks, a lot of the high risk bio stocks can also be more risk. So these are some that you could consolidate. I'm not a believer in diamond hands. Certainly don't believe that you should have diamond hands for all stocks, but certainly for your high conviction stocks and certainly for the blue chip stocks. What I'd now like to do is focus on what's happening in the crypto market. So again, this is something very, very significant. So you'll be able to see on the screen here, and I'm sure many of you will be aware that crypto is probably going through the most difficult period since 2020. So if we look at the cryptocurrencies in terms of the losses, I don't think any crypto has been immune. So if we look at Bitcoin, it has dropped to the lowest level since December 2020. I think today it dipped below $27, and at one point it was trading just in excess of $26,000, so plunging in excess of 8% today. Ethereum also, that was down. That was also down in excess of 12%, and also at one point trading just in excess of $1,800. So crypto market is also being hit badly. But the other thing I'd like to share with you is with regard to a crypto called Luna. So if anybody is in Luna, LUNA, this is a stock that crashed a huge amount, and we can see on the screen here this went down just a few days ago. This was trading in excess of $100, also in trading in excess of $120, and it's just gone down to trading around about $1. So we're looking at a 99% decrease in Luna. So in the headline here from cryptocurrency market, we can see why did Luna crash. So this is something that again a lot of people are looking at right now. This was a stable coin. Stable coins are cryptocurrencies linked to traditional ones. Luna's market cap fell from $40 billion to just in excess of $200 million. So that is staggering. So the leading crypto exchange Binance temporarily suspended withdrawals on Luna, and I think this has created huge amounts of panic in the crypto market. So let's have a look at some of the key risks of holding crypto. So in terms of the key risks, if we look at from a UK point of view, and also I think from a worldwide point of view, including the US, regulation is very limited. Certainly in the UK, there's no regulation of crypto from the financial authorities. I think this is going to happen. I think it's inevitable that we will get regulation. We'll get strong regulation. And I think we also have meme coins like Shiba Inu. These are especially volatile. People can make huge amounts of money. But again, as with stocks, it's any investment in crypto is something that you should be prepared to lose. So the FCA in January warned that investing in crypto assets is certainly involved as the highest maximum risk. So if you are investing in these, you should be prepared to lose all of your money. So they're extremely volatile. One thing from a personal point of view, I think is another factor to take into account if you're investing in cryptocurrency, because they're not regulated, but they're not covered by the financial authorities. One of the things that you should bear in mind is, unlike stocks and shares, these stocks and shares can be passed down as inheritance. With cryptocurrency, these rely on passwords. So if you are not sharing details of your cryptocurrency with your family, then automatically this may not be passed down to your next of kin. So that's a significant risk in addition to the other risks that we're looking at. So what this will require anybody holding crypto to do would be to have a system where this does not happen to you, because obviously I'm sure many people are aware that people have lost bitcoins, millions and billions worth of dollars of bitcoin, by losing passwords, losing hard drives, and losing logins. So certainly a very significant risk. What I'd now like to do is provide a quick update on ticker symbol MMAT Metamaterial. So in the previous video we looked at the earnings. So overall earnings were moving in the right direction. They're not a significant breakthrough, but certainly the figures were much better, certainly from a revenue point of view and also from a gross profit point of view. There is still a net loss, but the net loss has reduced quite significantly. So please refer back to the previous video for a more in-depth overview of the earnings. So what I'd like to now have a look at is a tweet here, first of all, from Metamaterials, and what they have stated here is that we're hiring. Check out our career section to learn more. So they're hiring in Dartmouth, they're hiring in Athens, they're hiring in London, Pleasanton, Burnaby, Thurso. So again, this is quite significant. So let's have a look at from the company website in terms of the key headline here. They have said we have job opportunities and we're growing. So again, I'm hoping there's going to be some good news for the future, but certainly they've stated here they're looking for new talented people to join our team, and we love it here. We hope you will too. So let's now have a quick look at some of these vacancies that the company have identified. And the vast majority of jobs that I've seen on the website are in Dartmouth, Nova Scotia. So we can see here a huge amount of new jobs identified, and these are ranging from engineers, accounts jobs, director in product management. We also have manufacturing technicians, packaging. We also have jobs in as for scientists in AR fusion technology. We have reliability engineers, senior financial reporting analysts, scientists in senior optical simulation engineers as well, and also video and graphic designers. So these are all jobs identified in Dartmouth, Nova Scotia. And we have a look at the other section in terms of the key jobs that I've identified, which are quite significant. These are in California, where they're looking for the Director of Product Management, Material Scientist, Nanofabrication Process Engineer, Office Manager, Production Technician. So certainly these are positive signs for the future, and also potentially an indication of some growth that could be imminent and coming soon. Finally, if anybody would like to join our Discord, where we have a live trading section as well as the opportunity to ask questions, and also join us in our $1 Million Challenge, you can join for as little as $9 a month. This will also give you access to the Discord. Details are available in the description below. Thank you very much for watching. Please stay tuned.